Hey, thank you very much. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Alfred, and I'm the head of APAC partnership for mParticle. Probably quite a lot of you haven't heard about mParticle. Maybe I can give you some introduction about what mParticle does. So mParticle is the only CDP platform or the customer data platform that manage both the data quality, data governance, merged with AI-powered insights and also predictive analytics for our customer. So today I'm going to talk about data chaos. How many of you heard about data chaos before? Please raise your hand. No? Okay. Maybe some of you may heard about companies like Spotify, KFC, or PayPal, or this company. Have any one of you heard about this company? I'm quite sure some of you may heard about this. So what common about this company is they're using mParticle to help them to address their data chaos. All right. So what's happened to them? What kind of challenge they faced before? It's not working. Next. Yeah. Next. Come on. Next. Yeah. All right. What's common to these companies? These companies are all experienced the data chaos that they had before. And how do they address data chaos at the very beginning? Is by putting their customer data into a data warehouse. I think it's very common and makes sense for them to do it. Data chaos, data warehouse, consolidated. But they soon realize that's not enough because that only solves one of the challenges that they're facing, which is the data silo and also exponential growth of data. If they want to make use of this data, they start realize there's more on that one, including three of those here, the data quality and data governance, with multiple source of data, online, offline, mobile app, website, marketplaces. How do you standardize the data and the format so that it will be easy for you as a marketer or the product manager to use it for your activations? Second is about the privacy requirement. Privacy rule changing every year, all right? How do company adopt and make sure the data that you have collected and allow you to use in different way of marketing campaign and make sure you have got confidence to use it in the right place at the right time? The last part is about identity capacity. Identity is a very interesting place. How many phone or mobile devices you are having today? I personally own 3 mobile phones and 2 personal computers. Well, I'm quite sure a couple of you might use a couple of mobile phones as well. So different mobile phones, different devices will also create an identity problem for the company. How to unify them? How do you know different phones belongs to the same company? These are all the data chaos that probably a single data warehouse might not be able to solve. Next, please. And in addition, also challenge coming from the internal, from the product team, from the marketing team. New campaign, new audiences, or requirement coming from the marketing team, or regulation, we'll talk about it. New vendors, new vendor coming in and data request ingestion of connection. There's a lot of requirement coming from internal that we need to tackle every day. Next, please. And most of the time, these requirements are coming from marketing, okay? And new challenges available from the market. Every year, we have new tools to help companies address new challenge in the company. We see the number of marketing tools available in the market growing from 150 in 2011, which is the year I joined marketing tech industry, to this year almost 10,000 of marketing tools available in the market, right? For a company, there's a very good company like More Engage. They help us to consolidating multiple tools into one for marketer easy to use, easy to manage their channel, and they build an amazing product. But still, there are tools that coming out every year to help addressing the new challenges. All right. So thinking from a product point of view or from a company point of view, what you can do? Are you going to integrate new tools every year, spending effort or integration? That is actually quite a lot of effort that company need to address every day. And here is where the value of a customer data platform can do. Next. And this is not what just I said, or not just what we see from the market with number of tools. We hear from a CMO Council, a report coming from CMO Council. They also said 55% of the marketer expressed that their system are not integrating with each other, especially the data silo. Only 28% of them will have the transparency of their data system to understand, what's the data that I have and what kind of action that I can take. With this, we need to address the challenge by actually setting up a good customer data infrastructure and customer data foundation to help maximizing the end-to-end value for your customer data. First, what you need to build is the trust of your customer data, based on your customer data. This is very important because it's protecting the data integrity, the quality, providing a layer of governance and protection to ensure your data that you think you have is actually the data that you can use and legally reach out to your customer. Second is about the meaning of the data, giving you the insight and analytics to understand your customer better. I think the panel just discussed, if you don't understand your customer well, you won't be able to personalize experience well. The last part is, of course, taking action. How do you take action with confidence and in real time so that you can try to improve your customer lifetime value and WAS and improve your efficiency, etc. With all this, it means unless you have solved the core data challenges, aligning your technology, your people, your process in place, even the best strategy might probably go south. So as we see from the previous slide, data quality and data privacy and quality integrity is actually the key. So all the thing you need is to build the stronger foundations. So once this foundation is there, then you can start doing some interesting thing. For example, giving more value to the customer data by enriching them, by building the prediction model, looking at your customer journey, analytics, and also building AI on top. I promise you I will finish in 15 minutes. I will leave this PowerPoint to you later on so that you can read the test later. I will try to talk about the use case. The key use case that a customer data platform that's trying to help you to deliver is first is about the real-time customer data pipeline, connecting multiple sources of customer data and connect to multiple systems in a very short period of time. We help LG ThinkQ to save over thousands of their engineering hours because they're trying to adopt new solution, new system, and connect to new tools every year. Second is about continuous the 360 customer view. This is also very important because this customer data platform will be able to provide a single source of truth for you to use it to engage with your customer. We help Airbnb to save around $800 million by reorganizing their marketing spending. What makes sense to the company? Which channel should we reach out to customer? What should we do with that? So this is something, another value that customer data platform will do. And of course, the last part is power the real-time personalization. We connect tools with more engage to deliver the personalization at the end, and we can share with them what will be the right audience to deliver your campaign at the right time. This is one of the case study I have with Airbnb and how do they adopt with our customer data platform. As says, one of the key challenge they have is about their data infrastructure. How to consolidate it and with that, mParticle help them to save $800 million by reorganizing their marketing spending, and also we help them to increase 7 times on their experience booking, which also help them deliver the value to the business. I love this slide so much. Okay, it's very confusing because a lot of people, a lot of tools in the market, they say themselves is CDP. But what is the fact, right? We see different challenges, different types of CDP in the market, especially these 3 types of CDP, the traditional CDP, the marketing CDP, data warehouse, they're doing very well in the market, but somehow they missed the point, right? Missed a couple of things. One is about the data quality and data governance. Second is the privacy requirement, how to control privacy and how to make sure the team will have the confidence to use it to engage with the customer. And the last part is about identity resolution. How to manage both known and unknown audience, anonymous customer. How to help the company to start building the customer profile from anonymous stage. This is probably something that all these three might not be able to address. What would be the best solution? The best solution is having an infrastructure CDP and customer engagement solution come together, which help you to solve the problem from end to end, starting from data collections to give value layer and understand your customer data next, and then take action. So this is what we do, and that's why we partner with MoEngage a lot, by having the CDP, sending the unified customer profile, not just online, offline data, but also anonymous customer data into one single place. We enrich it and send the data to CEP so that you can do your market automation as usual. At the back, we collect all this data from CEP, send it back to the CDP so that we help you to orchestrate the audience into other marketing channels that other than the CEP channel. For example, ad platform, even your customer service, your call center. They might probably want to use all this data to engage with your customer in another mean, not just only from the digital perspective. So to summarize what I have said today, there's a couple of points or a couple of takeaways that I want to share. One is data quality is actually building the foundation for the business. Without data quality, even the best marketing strategy or engagement strategy, that probably fall flat. Second is about privacy control. I talked to some of the marketers, or in Indonesia and also in Southeast Asia. One of the common challenges that I hear from them is, I collect a lot of data, but can I use it? Am I legally able to use it? Okay, what kind of data I should throw into what system? So the privacy control is actually also very important to be needed to integrate it to different from the point of collection and also allow it to flow through to your downstream marketing applications. The last one is speed matter. We know how fast this market is evolving, right? To allow you to integrate any new tools to the business, help your business growth, is actually also the key for you to success in the business. It's also the time is mattering the business, how fast you adopt the tools, how fast you realize the value from the investment that you have is actually setting the success versus the failure of your business. And at last, before I end my presentation, I also want to give you this, what we call path of data maturity. So if some of you may want to take a picture of this one, try to ask yourself a couple of questions and evaluate your organizations to see where are you today. What kind of points, what kind of action, what types of consideration that your organization need to think about by laying out, by planning a good data foundation before you can take action and, or of course, connect to MoEngage or to deliver the right message, right content to the customer at the right time. This gives you a very good idea what you need to do in your organization as the next step. Very last, to introduce mParticle. mParticle, as I said, is the customer data platform that is available in the market, and we work with different size of business, from early stage startup to mid-sized company to enterprise company. We are very strong in the QSR space, customer like McDonald's, Burger King, or even to Starbucks, Walmart. They all using mParticle to help them to solve their data chaos, help them to continuous growth, and hopefully today I'm able to give you an idea what kind of data chaos and how we can help you to solve the problem. All right, thank you very much. I'm wearing the mParticle t-shirt today, and I will be here for the rest of the day. If you want to understand about this customer logo that I just showed you, want to understand more how they solve their data chaos, let me know and feel free to reach out to me. Okay, thank you very much.